Okay, such as DDL commands, DML commands, and these are the DCL commands. Okay, there are three types of commands. First one was DDL, data definition languages, data manipulation, and data control language is command. So in this practical number 17, we will be studying three types of commands, such as creating a user, how to create a user, how to grant privileges to the user. Privileges means rights, means what he can do. He can insert a data or update the data or delete a table. हे जे काही राइट्स आहे हे प्रिव्हिलेजेस युजरला द्यायचे आपल्याला. कुठले एक युजरला टेबल क्रिएट करता यावा का नाही, डिलीट करता, अपडेट करता किंवा त्यामध्ये व्हॅल्यू इन्सर्ट करता. तर हे राइट्स युजर्सला द्यायचे. काहींना फक्त आपण इन्सर्टचे राइट्स देऊ, काहींना डिलीटचे राइट्स देऊ. असे वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे राइट्स we will be providing rights to the user. Then the next one is revoke. Next one is 1 minute. I will share the screen. Next one is, see here, first we will study how to create a users. Then second, grant privileges to the users. Then revoke. Revoke privileges means जे काही आपण प्रिव्हिलेजेस वगैरे दिलेले आहे युजर्सला ते परत त्याच्याकडनं काढून घ्यायचे. ठीक आहे, ते राइट्स त्याच्याकडनं परत आपण काढून घेणार. सो दिस इज प्रॅक्टिकल नंबर 17, एक्झिक्युटिंग DCL कमांड युजिंग अ SQL. So in this, there are different types of commands which you will be studying. For example, you can see so these are the command which you will be studying. So first one is grant. Okay, so grant, select, insert, update, delete on employee to Sachin. This is a query which I am firing or executing. Okay, so this is a query. For that, see how to give a grant command. Write down a grant, select, comma, insert, comma, update, delete on employee to Sachin. Means we are assigning some privileges to user. Which user? Sachin. सचिन जो युजर आहे त्याला काय आपण प्रिव्हिलेजेस अप्लाय करतोय. कुठले कुठले प्रिव्हिलेजेस देतोय त्याला? ग्रँट मीन्स आपण त्याला प्रिव्हिलेजेस देतोय. कुठले कुठले देतोय? सिलेक्ट, इन्सर्ट, अपडेट अँड डिलीट. मीन्स सचिन कॅन डू सिलेक्ट क्वेरीज, इन्सर्ट क्वेरी, update query and delete query on which table? Employee. Okay, we are granting a permission such as grant. We use for that grant. Which permissions, which privileges we are giving? Select, insert, update, delete. On which table? Employee. To whom? To Sachin. Sachin is a user. We are giving Sachin some privileges such as select, insert, update and delete, which he will perform on a employee table. Means he can select a table, he can insert a table values in a table, he can update the table, he can delete the table. Means Sachin can do such type of functions or query on the employee table. Okay, इथपर्यंत समजलंय सगळ्यांना? This is the query of a grant. How to grant a privileges to the user. For that, I am giving some example of grant. First, how to create the user. So I will show you in the chat box how to create a user. Creating a user. Create user. Sachin. Okay, for creating the user, I'm showing some code which you will be doing. Okay, so I'm putting the query on the chat box. For that, creating a user. First, you will be creating a user. For that, we are using a query. So in chat box, you can see I have typed a query that is create user, and you are providing here username. In small case, this is where you will be providing your name or any other username identified by a password. Okay, in this way, we can create a user which will be identified a password, means password will be available, username and password. Okay, this is how we can create a user. After creating a user, you will be granting a permission. For granting the permission, you will be using this query. Say grant privileges. So privileges, everyone know which are the privileges. Privileges are select, insert, update, delete, alter. All the command privileges will be given. Okay, grant, select, comma, update, comma, delete, comma. Okay, as much privileges you can give on the table name. For which table you will have to give a privileges. You will be specifying over here table name to which user we have created. We can also give different types of privileges depending upon the column name. Suppose I want to update only department in the department table. I want to update department number and employee number. We can also give such type of privileges. Means we will be only updating that columns only. Okay. इथपर्यंत समजलं सर्वांना? How to create a user and how to grant permission to the user. हो का नाही? सिंपल आहे. युजर क्रिएट करण्याची क्वेरी तुम्हाला दाखवलेली आहे. दिस इज द युजर creation of user, then granting the privileges on the table name to the user. हे समजलंय का? रिप्लाय करत चला. मग तर मग आपलं प्रॅक्टिस सेशन चालू आहे. आपला लेक्चर नाही चालू आहे. आपण सुरुवातीला काय करणार आहे? वी विल क्रिएट अ युजर. युजर कसा क्रिएट करणार? क्रिएट युजर, युजरचं नाव. सपोज मी इथे सचिन टाकलं, जसं तुम्हाला एक्झाम्पल दाखवलं होतं इथे. एक मिनिट शेअर करतो मी. शेअरिंग सी. युजरचं नाव काय आहे? सचिन. ठीक आहे. सपोज आपण क्रिएट केली. चॅट बॉक्स दिसतोय का माझा? चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये मी जी क्वेरीज टाकली त्या दिसताय का?
येस सर.
ओके.
येस सर.
ठीक आहे. तर ती क्वेरी सेकंड वन जी क्वेरी आहे तिचं एक्झाम्पल बघा. ग्रँट प्रिव्हिलेजेस. प्रिव्हिलेजेस विच आर द प्रिव्हिलेजेस? सिलेक्ट, इन्सर्ट, अपडेट, डिलीट. हे आपण एखाद्या टेबलवर करायचं असेल तर कुठल्या टेबलवर करतोय? एम्प्लॉयच्या. पण कोणाला ते परमिशन्स देतोय आपण? सचिनला. ठीक आहे. मीन्स सचिन कॅन सिलेक्ट द टेबल ऑफ द content of the table, insert the values in the table, update the values of the table, or delete the table or the values of the table. Sachin can perform all the operations on the employee table. Okay. So next one, that is after a grant, there is a command revoke. Okay. Firstly, see this grant all on employee to Sachin. Means Sachin, we have grant all the permissions to the Sachin for the table employee. Okay, you can do like this also. If you want to grant all the permissions to the Sachin, you will be using a statement as grant all on table name to user. जर मला फक्त इन्सर्ट ची क्वेरी चे प्रिव्हिलेजेस द्यायचे सचिनला, तर मी इथे काय करेल? ग्रँट इन्सर्ट ऑन एम्प्लॉय टू सचिन असं करणार. इफ आय वॉन्ट टू गिव्ह अ इन्सर्ट ओनली. मला जर अपडेट द्यायचे असेल, मला फक्त इन्सर्ट आणि अपडेट द्यायची असेल, ग्रँट इन्सर्ट कॉमा अपडेट ऑन एम्प्लॉय टू सचिन. डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द यू which privileges you will be providing to the Sachin will be listed over there. If you want to give all the privileges, then use grant all on employee to Sachin. Then next one is revoke. See, it is opposite of a grant. In revoke, we are doing revoke, select, insert, update, delete on employee from Sachin. Means we are taking the privileges from Sachin. In last query, it was grant, select, insert, update, delete on employee to Sachin. In this, we are revoking that privileges from Sachin. Means we will be using revoke command, revoke, select, insert, update, delete on employee from Sachin. Means take the permissions from the which user? Sachin. We are removing the permissions from which permissions? Select, insert, update, and delete. Means Sachin cannot perform any operations on that. You can also use that query like this: revoke all on employee from Sachin. Okay, revoke all on employee from Sachin. Means all the privileges will be removed from the user Sachin. So these are some practical related questions. In this, we will be creating a user, Jyoti, identified by MIT Poly. First query I have given for creating a user, which for that, what will be writing? Create user, which user? Jyoti, identified by MIT Poly. This will create your user. Then grant create table and create view to Jyoti. Means you will be assigning the privilege such as creating a table. Means what will be the query? Grant create comma view to Jyoti. Okay, so we are assigning here the assigning the creating table and creating view to the Jyoti. Then we will grant some more privileges to the Jyoti. On which table? EMP. Grant, select, insert, update on EMP to Jyoti. Then grant, select, update this. So you will be doing all these queries. You will be doing all these queries on the, you will be updating